In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tables in Tableau. We'll be focusing on the process of creating a union, which is a powerful way to consolidate data from multiple tables into a single data source, streamlining your analysis process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start up by opening Tableau Desktop. This is your hub for all data visualization and management tasks, and it's where we'll be working today. If you haven't already installed Tableau, you might need to get that set up, but assuming you have it ready, let's move on to the next step. With Tableau open, your first task is to connect to your data source. Tableau provides flexibility here as you can connect to various types of data sources such as Excel files, text files, or even databases. For our purposes, just pick whatever source holds the tables you need to unite. Click on the appropriate icon or follow the steps to point Tableau to your file or database. Once connected, you'll land on the data source page. Here, look for the particular table you want to start working with. This serves as the foundation for your union. It's the first piece of the puzzle, and you'll be adding to it soon. Next, you need to drag the table you want to merge with your first table directly below it on the canvas. As you do this, watch carefully for the Union option to appear. This indicates that Tableau is ready to combine the data for you. After ensuring everything is aligned, release the mouse button to create the union. At this point, Tableau steps in to do some of the heavy lifting. The software will attempt to automatically align columns, matching them up based on their names. This can save a lot of time by quickly merging data fields that share common identifiers. However, it's not unusual to encounter mismatched fields, columns that, while representing the same kind of data, have different names. In these cases, you'll need to give Tableau a bit of manual assistance. You can do this by dragging one column header to another within the union profile, effectively merging them into a single field. Alternatively, you can use the Merge Mismatched Fields option available in the columns drop-down menu. This is particularly handy for those larger data sets where manually dragging and dropping just isn't feasible. Lastly, if you find the need to tidy up your union further, Tableau offers options to rename the union for better organization or to remove tables that may no longer be necessary. That's it, you've successfully created a union in Tableau. This skill is invaluable for compiling data sets, allowing you to focus more on analysis and less on manual data wrangling. Happy analyzing!